Hello everyone, this is Noah from realgpl.com and today I am going to talk about one another theme and that is TopDeal. So let's talk about if you bought this theme, then what is the process for installation and how to import demo for the same. So it's a very good theme based on Elementor and you can create e-commerce website if you want to. So the very first thing that you have to do is like you have to buy it and then download it, which I think you already have did. So I am going to my specified folder where I have downloaded this. So I'm going to my download section, then I will see the top deal folder, and here you can see like I have the top deal zip file. The first thing I'm going to do is we have to unzip it, we have to extract it. So I am going to do it. Once done, go to that folder. We have three folders inside, in which the first one is code, and inside that we have top deal parent and the child theme. So now let's go to the WordPress, then go to appearance, then go to themes as you know already. Now click on add new and first install the parent theme. So I'm going to select the parent theme first. Okay, once the parent is installed, we'll go and install the child one. So first of all, install the parent. It's a 21 megabyte file, so it might take some time in installation depending on your server response and depending on your network speed. So now as you can see, the theme is getting installed. Once installed, which is done already, I'm going to themes again. I will click on add new, then I will click on upload, then choose file, then select the child theme, click on open, and then click on install now. So right now we have both installed. I'm going to activate the child theme. Okay, once activated, you will see a screen with install required plugins will come. So just select each and everything and then click on install. Again, depending on the network speed and the server response, it will take time because we have to install 19 plugins. So you just need to wait until this happens, and I think yeah, it is happening at a very fast speed. 14 is already done from 19. So it took around 1 minute to install all these 19 plugins. Now again go to install plugin section and then click on all select and then go to this option and then click on activate and then apply. So apply. So by doing this, we have installed and activated all the required plugins for TopDeal theme. Once done, click on dashboard just to see if everything is working as expected. Yes, we can see that everything is working as expected. So now what we have to do, we need to install the demo. So to do that, we have to go to appearance and then we should go to import demo data section. Here you can see we have a lot of demos available which can be imported. So right now I will go and install the default one, which is the demo homepage one, and I'm importing all content. You can import as per your need. So right now I'm going to click on import. So and then again click on yes import. So again the importing will take some time. It might take around 1 to 2 minutes depending on the import size. So while this is happening, let me go and tell you something like if you want to download multiple products at a time, then you should must check our membership plans. You can start with the starter plan, which is just like $7, and you will be having access to all our products. And you can also download daily 10 products, which is I think awesome. So you must try it, okay? And if you are looking for a longer duration membership where you don't have to pay again and again, in that case you must go for the lifetime plan, or you should take like VIP plan, which is like yearly renewal. Okay, so I hope you will do it because as a developer we might need a lot of products to get started. Now let me go to the demo section again just to check like if the demo is already imported or it is getting imported. So right now you can see like it is getting imported. So this time it is taking some time, so I will wait, and once done I will show you the live website. Rather than waiting, let me tell you something else while the demo is getting imported. So if I go to the website realgpl.com, we have just launched lifetime deals in which you will get the original developer key and that too for a lifetime. So if you want any Astra products or OSNWP or affiliate booster or generate price or DV bundle, you can buy all these things from here. Just pay one time and use it forever. And also, if you are looking for any lifetime deals and if you want us to add that here, you must create a support ticket or just email us. Our email is provided on our contact us page, which you can find us easily here, or just click on email us to email us. Now let me go and check. The demo is still getting imported. This time it is taking longer than the usual. Yeah, it's done. Finally, it's done. It took around 3 to 4 minutes this time. So let me go and refresh my home page to see if everything is coming in a proper way. So yeah, you can see the TopDeal theme is properly installed and we are getting each and everything as per the demo. Okay. And if you are looking for a good theme to start your e-commerce business, you must go with TopDeal. You can also choose Woodmart. Woodmart is also a very good theme, I would say. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I will be continuing this until we cover each and every product. So keep shopping from realgpl.com and spread the love. Thank you very much. Bye bye.